So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to draw the soft jaws on ship. The first thing you're going to have to do is get into your teams. Now mine has already gone into this, but if you go into your teams and you find first your metalwork and go to files, and there it is there, soft jaws. So this is what we're going to draw here now today. And what we're going to start with is, this is orthographic. So this is your elevation, this is your front view, this is your plan view, your top view, and this is your side view or your end elevation. And then down here we've got our isometric. So in this little drawing here, we've got all the information we need to draw it on ship. So what you're going to do now is you're going to go on to on ship, sign in, and create document. We'll call this soft jaws. Okay, that. Now, if we look back at this here, this is our front view, our elevation. So if we want to draw that, we would draw it on this plane. This is our top view, or our plan. If we want to draw that, we draw it on our top plane. But we actually want to start with this end view here, our right plane over here. So when we go to sketch, when we go to actually draw something, we're going to click sketch. And it's going to ask us, where do we want to draw it? And we want to draw it is on our right view plane here. And if we go over here to our views, then if we click this here, this means it's going to look straight in at the right view. What we're going to do next is we're going to pick a line. So up here you can draw all sorts of different shapes. And what we're going to draw is a line. And we're going to draw this little shape in here. Okay, and when we go to do it, we can make it any size we want, and then we're going to dimension it afterwards. So you take your cursor down to the very center of that there, and it's going to go orange. It's a good habit to get into that there, making sure that it's right in the center as you start your drawing. And when you bring the line straight up, you can see there's little dots in it, and you can see also to the right hand side there's a little line. And when it's off at an angle like that there, you're missing those two things. So just make sure that that there line is straight up, and any size at all you want. Click on it, drag it out, click, drag it straight down, making sure those little dots are in it still. Over, straight down, and straight in. And there we have this view drawn here now. And we can see that it's 25 by 25 and it's 3 millimeters thick. So what we need to do now is we need to dimension it. So if we go up here to the top, and there's a dimension button here. So click on that dimension button, and we're going to make this here 25 millimeters. We're going to click here, 25 millimeters. And we're going to click here, 3 millimeters. And we're going to click here, 3 millimeters. And that there is that whole view drawn. There now, like that there. Now I've kind of just drawn it the other way around, but it's the same thing. So what we want to do now is we want to give it its depth, its length. So it's 110. So what we need to do is go up here and find the button extrude. So we click on that button, extrude. And then we want to make it, as we said, 110. So we're going to make it down here, we're going to type in 110 millimeters and return. And then if we go over here and click here and go isometric, now we can see that the whole shape has been drawn in 110. Now, if you use your mouse, the little wheel, if you rub the wheel up and down, you can zoom in and out. If you need to move the piece around at all, you click down on the right key on the mouse, and you can see then you can move the thing all around, because it's going to be helpful in a second. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back to our view here now, and we can see there's little curves on it, all right? And we're going to put little curves in ours too. And how we do that is we go up here to the top and we look for fillet. So you're going to click there on fillet, and we're going to make these here radius 5, that's fine. So we're going to click here in this corner, scroll around, and we'll click here, scroll around, and again you can zoom in and out, this corner, and finally this corner. And that's that done. Green tick that. So now there's our soft jaws drawn up and on ship with all our little fillets in it. The last thing we want to do now is put our little name on it. Alright? And now don't worry too much about the dimensions here for this. So we're going to click on the top view. Okay, because that's where we've drawn it here. So the top view is where we're going to put our name on it. And if we go up here to the top, we'll click on Sketch. And it's going to ask us where do we want to draw it, and we want to draw it here. So we click on that there. And up here then we have text. So you're going to drag that out, again, any size you want. And for me, I'm going to type in Mr. B. And we can mess about. Okay, Mr. B. We can change that there, move that about to where we're happy with it. And that is your soft jaw complete.